What did it do, y'all? Baby, it is 3D here. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, get that bell icon, a nice good old rub down. You guys, we got to get this thing straight. We're gonna get this thing aligned and everything else like that. This wheel is not straight at all. I just got some tips from my guy Todd, who actually helped me out with basically getting this thing aligned. So shout out to my man Todd. But y'all, for right now, we got a few modded mods for the back glide. We have to get her cleaned up. I'm gonna get her detailed and everything else. I was riding and I think somebody had maybe an oil leak or something, and they got oil right all over the front of the back glide, and it looks terrible. So we're gonna get that cleaned up. But for right now, you guys, I got a few little mods in the mail. So we're gonna go ahead and pop those things open, see what we got, and maybe even get a couple of things installed. Let's see what we got, y'all. All right, you guys, first mod we got is this little thing here. We have some highway bar pegs we're going to get installed onto the back glide. One thing I never really understood is why people always have pegs on their highway bars. I just thought it was just like an aesthetic thing until I started riding myself, and that's when I actually realized the main reason that people have it is because the motor gets hot, and when you're on like the highway or taking a long trip, you want to have your feet, or your legs, I'm sorry, away from the motor as best as possible. And that's where these little things come in handy. So let's go to crack this open and see what we got. Got my blade, my shank. And one thing I will say is that I think out of all of the mods that I wanted to do on a motorcycle, highway pegs is definitely my #1 thing, because it's just cool to me. I remember I was little, I used to see this little guy. There's this little tiny guy riding a motorcycle on the highway. He was flying, speeding, and I just remember his feet was just like up in the air the entire time. And that always stood out to me. So I was just like, hey, you know, that's cool. And then I got older, I realized what it was. You know, he had his feet up on the highway peg. So shout out to my man, whoever he is. Yeah, now. For this little set, you guys, I'll actually post the link in the description. It was a cheap little set that I found on Amazon. And the cool part about it is that it's supposed to match my original pegs that I have on it. So let's check it out, see what we got. All right, first thing they do is they give us, put it right there. They give us some nice little tools. And then it's supposed to be just simple bolt on, right? All right, so nice and chrome, shiny, that's good. So I'm not sure what size that is, but should have 2 of those. I guess it don't really matter what size, right? And then the peg itself. Now, if you guys can see it really mimics the actual peg that I have on the back glide, which is actually pretty dope. So and you can adjust it from there and everything else. You should have 2. Now this should be a simple bolt-on process. So let's go ahead and go to the back glide and get this installed. And like I said, it should be a simple bolt-on process. Let's see what happens. All right, you guys, and just like that, that is how you install highway pegs on your crash bar. If you guys are new to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, get a bell icon, a nice good old rub down. I'm gonna take this thing out for a ride. It is raining right now. When it finished raining, I'll take this outside and just take a cruise, see how it feels and everything else like that, and then I'll post, you know, let you guys know how I feel. Now, this company did not sponsor me, endorse me, or anything else like that. I just needed some highway pegs for the motorcycle, so I decided to just go ahead and film it, document it, and share it with you guys. But like I said, y'all, I'm Bad883, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the content, man. Until next time, y'all keep a lookout for all those crazies out there. I'm gonna catch y'all on the flipsies. Deuces.